Google has just introduced a new way to simplify the import of key events from GA4 into Google Ads. Let me show you how. So here we're gonna go into goals, and then we're gonna do onto summary. Before moving forward, actually what you want to make sure is that you have your Google Analytics property linked to your Google Ads. And then once that is in place, what you want to do here, you want to click on create a conversion action. And then what you will see as at the top is that it says welcome to a simplify with simpler conversion measurement setup. And then here what you want to do is either you will have your Google Analytics property already linked, you'll see it here. Otherwise you're going to click on add URL, and then here you paste URL. And now you'll see two options. You see the Google tag, and then what you want to do, you want to click on your Google Analytics tag and then go back. Now that we have our Google Analytics property here, then we click on continue, and then depending on your business, what you want to do is want to click on the action that best correspond to your business. So for example, for us will be sign up, and then here what we want to do, we're going to click on sign up category, and then here we're going to click on generate lead, and then save, and then we're going to click on save and continue, and that is done.